know that there is a haven for migrating birds in Ontario? There are over 200 species recorded every year in this location. Look at this beautiful limestone-based island. It's a very short drive from Toronto, an hour and a half along the 401 East.
You're going to be in Trails End, so we're right here. We'll go down the road there. This is a zoomed in map of right here.
Okay.
So that's that long road. So you go down it, take a right at the fork, right into the campground, and then you'll see it to the left and follow it all the way down.
Oh, all the way down. Okay. Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Presqu'ile is a very large provincial park. It has 8 campgrounds. Look at all these campsites. I picked the last campground, Trail Ends. Right here, 392. This is a corner site that I picked. There aren't many of the sites that can have direct access to the waterfront, so this is one of the features of the site. To the east of the campground, there are picnic area for the day use. So in the middle, that is the campground area, 392 is here. And if you're going back to the north side, there's the main beach. There's beach 1 and beach 2. As you can see, part of the shoreline is being blocked. It is blocked off for the bird breeding area. But it is mostly vacant now because most activities happen between late March to early May. We are now in July, so most of them have already been gone. When you book a campsite in the Ontario Park, there are choices for electrical and non-electrical sites. Roughly it's around $5 difference per night. This time I picked an electrical site. With electrical outlet, now I can bring my air fryer. It's so convenient to make a meal. This is my favorite part of camping, being in my hammock. I can really stay here for the whole evening, well, if there's no mosquitoes. let's go to the nature center. The park usually organizes different activities for the children. Check out their schedule here. So what are we looking at here?
So this is Ben. He's our resident painted turtle. He's 6 years old and he'll live to be up to 50 in captivity. We can tell he's a boy because of his long claws, and he uses that for mating.
Wow.
And this is about as big as he'll get. So he's full size for a male. The females do get a little bit larger though. And,
so what do you feed him?
So he'll eat in the wild, he'll eat insects, but we feed him pellets, little pellets. But he'll also eat dandelion greens and other leaves that we bring him. So, yeah.
That is so interesting. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right.
Welcome to the Nature Center. Hi. A birdie! Yeah, so we have some birds, we have some live animals.
Presqu'ile Island is a tombolo. What is a tombolo? It is a sandbar that connects the islands to the mainland. The water current drifting along the shoreline bring the glacier sediment from the bottom of the lake and deposit on the shallow water. So this is how the Tombolo is being formed. After the nature center, if you drive further to the east, you will see the Lighthouse. This lighthouse was originally built in 1840. It is an icon in the nearby town. Oh yes, getting more creative and sophisticated in planning the camping meals. There are a number of very great hiking trails in this park. It will be best if you can bring your bicycle here. Since this time I do not have my bicycle with me, so let's take a walk at the Marsh Boardwalk. It will be best if you can come early in the morning or late in the afternoon, because now in midday there's not much activities. Hello. Finally, I can do some swimming this time. It's very warm this weekend. But the Lake Ontario is so big that I feel like swimming in the sea.